My name is Matthew Wise, and today I'm going to tell you a story of how board games and unsatisfying science fair projects led me to pursue a career in data science. Ever since I was very young, I've loved learning as much as I possibly can, and the thought of new knowledge has always excited me. My mom always tells me the story of how when I was still a toddler, she bought this big box of books which was full of learning material for kids. And I was so excited by this new purchase that I practically danced the whole way home. As I got older, I progressed from these 20-page books to board games, and to be honest, I've never quite gotten over them. Board games have always been a way for me to think analytically and solve problems in a very different and very fun way. Looking back, I think this is one of the first things that led me to what I'm studying today. If you're struggling to see the connection between board games and data science, let me try and explain a little bit. It is more the mindset and the logical approach than the actual game itself. While playing board games, what I realized is that I am subconsciously applying some sort of rudimentary mathematical techniques and calculating probability, however basic, to optimize my gameplay within a system with a set of defined rules. Besides, of course, my interest and affinity for maths as a subject, one of the other key steps in my journey to studying what I am today was a science fair project. My project was basically to do with creating and testing homemade organic fertilizers for hydroponics. But I realized very early on that I had chosen the wrong topic. My heart was never really in it, as I was just not that interested in the topic. What I did love, though, was the process of analyzing our results afterwards. I spent way too long using various software and other techniques to generate as much information out of all the data we collected as possible and present this in a way that people could easily understand. This was what finalized my decision. With what I had just experienced, my love for maths and coding, and a strong curiosity for machine learning, AI, and other groundbreaking new technologies, I decided to study a BSc majoring in statistics and data science and computer science at UCT, which, after matriculating from Pinelands High School in 2024, is what I'm currently doing. There are many things that attract me to the field of data science. Firstly, I love the fact that it is such a broad field. As the mathematician and statistician John Takei once said, the best thing about being a statistician is that you get to play in everyone's backyard. There is data in basically every field on the planet, and as a result, as a data scientist, you can provide value to any of these fields, from research in physics to climate change to big corporates and other financial institutions. I believe that working in this field also gives me the ability to have a great impact. Across the planet, we are currently facing many serious issues, but it is always so inspiring to me to see how people are coming up with such innovative solutions. I believe that I can also be one of these people. Data science and machine learning are still relatively new fields, and there is still so much more to be discovered. This excites me, as it means that I can help to direct the use of data, new technologies, and techniques, not towards hostility and greed, but rather do my part to effectively use our knowledge to solve pressing issues and improve the quality of life and access to opportunities for the less advantaged.